उसने मुझे एक आंटी से मिलाया, नामाकूल आंटी। कौन है वो? हाँ, कौन है ये? कौन, क्या नाम है आंटी का?
कॉलोनी।
हाँ। And the school is managed by an adult principal whose job is to ensure curriculum discipline is followed, and a child. A school in Korangi is encouraging and teaching children not only recycling but even bifurcating them. Glass. Everybody over here, from principal to all students, clean the bathrooms themselves. Acha ji, part of curriculum, regular day, all these kiddos, yoga. They're doing yoga here. The children who come here to learn are already earning money as well. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Musa Ilyas and I'm in Korangi in Karachi, one of the underprivileged areas of Korangi. And so my cousin has opened, well, it's a school, but it's actually a revolution in the education industry. So let's go have a look and see what it is. So right यहाँ पे Korangi के अंदर एक नया, I think, school education system disruptor is here. His name is Rehan Allahwala, and there is a vision he's had, and it's quite interesting what he's done. So let's go have a look and see कि क्या है. Basically है ये school for young children. Most of the kids over here right now is from the local community here, and people are coming from abroad, mostly underprivileged. And the objective here is to open minds of children and to get a to start the world's changing, and let's to prepare the children for the new world. तो अब आइए देखते हैं कि ये कैसे कर रहे हैं रेहान साहब. बिस्मिल्लाह. इस स्कूल में क्या बना रहे हैं मैं आपको पहले जस्ट गिव यू एन आइडिया. ये स्टूडेंट है ये स्कूल की, जिनका नाम है पोदनी पटाखा. क्या नाम है आपका? फातिमा. दिस इज फातिमा. फातिमा, हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन गोइंग टू दिस स्कूल? हाउ लॉन्ग? ये स्कूल में आपको कितना टाइम हो गया? 3 months. And how old are you? How old? अभी तो कितने साल की है? 8 की. अंग्रेजी क्या? अच्छा मेरे को ये बता, इंग्लिश कैसे सीख रही हो? हाउ आर यू लर्निंग इंग्लिश ओवर हियर? यहाँ पे इंग्लिश कैसे सीख रही हो? क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं यहाँ पे? क्या सिखा रहे हैं?
यहाँ मोबाइल का काम सिखा रहे हैं.
और मोबाइल में मुझे अभी तुम्हारी जो बड़ी बहन है ना पूदनी, उसका क्या नाम है? आमना. उसने मुझे एक आंटी से मिलाया, नामाकूल आंटी. कौन है वो? कॉलोनी आंटी. कॉलोनी, जिन्होंने कॉलोनी खोली है. हाँ, कौन है ये? कौन, क्या नाम है आंटी का?
कॉलोनी.
हाँ, राइट है ना, कोई आंटी है ना,
वो हमें इंग्लिश सिखाती है.
हाँ, मगर मोबाइल पे है. Artificial intelligence is being used as a teacher. There's an app called, कौन की नाम है ऐप की? ऐप का नाम की है Call Annie, जो कि देसी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कॉलोनी हो गई, but it's Call Annie. Apparently there's an app at the back end जो सब कुछ गूगल की भी अम्मा है ना ये आंटी, है ना? अभी हशकुन ये है कि नहीं, उसे सारी चीजें बोलते हैं. उर्दू भी बोल लेती है ना? हाँ. अरे वो ऊपर तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है, तुम्हारी बहन ऊपर चालाक मुझसे उर्दू में बोल रही है, वो जवाब भी उर्दू में दे रही है. हाँ, अभी सीखोगी. अभी तो कितने दिनों में आए हुए?
3 months.
अभी तो जुमा 8 रोज, वो तो है ही 8 महीने की. अच्छा ठीक है, 5 years, 8 years. Thank you. So this is a student from an underprivileged home who is incredibly confident, who has access to AI at the back end. So you will get an idea when you see how the school works. So starting off, this is the principal's office. That gentleman, उनकी भी एक जरा दिखा दें कि that gentleman जो principal है, the principal's room is shaped like a spaceship. और यहाँ पे the part of the curriculum is कि principal के साथ एक student daily होता है, and that student is principal of the day, and the school is managed by an adult principal whose job is to ensure curriculum discipline is followed, and a child. तो like unlike other schools, यहाँ पे principal के पास अगर भेजा जाए तो लोग डरते नहीं, खुशी खुशी जाते हैं। जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। So now हम बैठे हुए हैं प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस में। अगर आप if you can just do a round of the place. So a typical principal's office is unwelcoming, stern principal, फुट्टे के साथ हाथ में बैठे हुए होते हैं। This gentleman probably grew up with a futta, but he's also changed. He is also, being a principal of Rehan School, has changed his mindset. So, and mashallah, even the children over here are changing. तो ये है वो principal's room जहाँ से ये पूरा 2 buildings, कितने classrooms हैं माशाल्लाह? 27 classrooms. I don't even know number of students. Are all being managed with their curriculum और उसके disciplinary issues, teachers, तो वो सब साहब मैनेज करते हैं from this place. And यहाँ का एक और, from my understanding, they have an amazing system कि ये जो principal हैं इनके पास, इनका school का curriculum, part of the curriculum is that one student every day has to be a principal with him, a co-principal, who sits with him to understand, to see the issues of school and how they're managed, ताकि वो इन पे चेक रखते हैं कि ये किसी के साथ नाइंसाफी ना करें, और वो उन पे रखते हैं कि, तो ये literally collaborative school system, subhan Allah, which I think is the first of its kind. So incredible, and there's a lot more to see. Let's see कि और क्या चमत्कार हैं यहाँ पे, चलिए देखते हैं। So ये है जी the main hallway. We were just in the principal's office. ये main hallway है from building 1, जहाँ पे there's vice principal, IT lab, there's a whole wall over here of, so all these are people who Rehan, ये actually यहाँ की teachers हैं. There is a gentleman who comes to teach yoga. There's counseling. So that's part of the course over here. Your course outline, so again, it's a lengthier thing. We'll discuss that later. It's a phenomenal course outline which I've never seen right now on any educational institute, but really something I think which will open and change minds. IT, this whole school is basically run on IT. Teachers की qualification जितनी भी हो, at the back end they use all the latest technology with using AI actually to use as a support tool for growth. तो यहाँ जितने भी so this is a classroom of I think 35 students. It's not a typical teacher system. Very open. Students' age ranges from 7 to 70. There's actually adults over here because इनका curriculum, part of the curriculum is कि only students enroll नहीं होते. It's mandatory for parents of students to also attend school once a week or once a month. Yeah, कोई क्या है system साथ? There's a certain requirement. Parents have to attend the school once a month or something. 4 hours a week. So that's actually quite a bit, which is fantastic. So parents even also have to attend the school and be a student here. It's a very unique, different concept about opening minds. तो ये this is the infrastructure right now जिसके ऊपर ये manage कर रहे हैं. None of the so space has been utilized as well as possible to make it colorful, to be vibrant, to have messages. So the whole idea कि it's not कि boring जगह ना हो, to be मतलब even if you look at the pillars, every pillar has a human being who is achieved something or the other, and therefore people look at as an icon. The whole idea is to inspire, and it's impossible for a human being to enter this place and not get inspired. जो दुनिया में अभी नहीं हो रहा, and people are catching up, recycling. A school in Korangi is encouraging and teaching children not only recycling but even bifurcating them. Glass, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Paper, plastic, and then there's also compost, which is another thing which they do, which is part of their course. But luckily, because of badbu and the dirtiness, it's not here. Even composting, recycling is part of their course over here. It's part of their life. They have a quiet booth, not for punishment, but to chillax. This is a soundproof booth made. Jahan pe the kids just shut the thing because they have to do interviews and their job. The children are supposed to create interviews and create all this fancy IT stuff. तो वहाँ खामोशी से बैठ के कुछ लोग like do it over here. And again, different rooms, different courses. Let me give you a quick tour because वो देर हो रही है, अंधेरा हो जाएगा. Just so there are some limitations here. Let's go have a look. आइए. So we're going to quickly just rush upstairs. This is मतलब ये 3 floors हैं, so we're just gonna go start with the auditorium and work our way down. तो यहाँ पे to make sure that everything is impactful, signs, reminders constantly of where you are, what you are. So अब we are on the top floor of the building. Airy area as much as possible for ventilation जो कर सकते हैं वो यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. But if you flip, they have this is their auditorium, which is also used as a party room. Subhanallah, for guests, for prayers, for I don't know what not. So they have plenty of space. And great. Also over here, here is a handful of people. These are all Rehan's buddies. Not all of Rehan's buddies, just a handful of them. Again, the whole idea is just inspired. Like, very difficult for someone to not get inspired over here. It is hot. Yes, because Africa है. हम तो फिर भी गुजार लेते हैं. This is still more comfortable than everybody gets at home. The most comfortable space possible. Acha ji, part of curriculum, regular day, all these kiddos, yoga. They're doing yoga here. So yeah, mats. Agar aap thoda sa, you can just show them around. So that they have yoga. So we are now in, so we were in, that's building 1, this is building 2. Same, it was the previous school purchased and then Rehan Saab ne uska skeleton nikal ke cheat phad karke now mashallah he's transformed this. So regular, because it was it is a normal school. They have a library. They have they have a music space. The music space, so, and again, yeah, music teacher bhi, this is a regular thing. This is where they learn podcasting. Students do this. Not teacher, students, kiddos, bachas. So like any other place, what they've done is they've taken these different rooms and so this is again a podcasting room, soundproof, amazing backgrounds, quiet for again most kids because doing interviews and इनको अलग-अलग इस तरह के projects दिए जाते हैं तो ये एक उनका ठिकाना है यहाँ करने के लिए. And they do share space. They figure all this without timetables and all. The children and the principal, they all figure it out themselves. No paddas, no jagdas. Pakistan में. Obviously bathrooms on all floors and everything. मगर यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी they have some differences. So instead of getting staff to do hygiene, everybody over here, from principal to all students, clean the bathrooms themselves. It's part of whatever that Japanese word is. Adnan Kushogi. That's part of their process that they have to do this cleaning. Not only the students, not only Mr. Principal, but the parents who come to pick up the children, they say, Assalamu alaikum, thank you for picking up your child. Come, they hold their hand and they say, Pehle bathroom saaf karo. So, I mean, not exactly that way, but the parents also are encouraged. So egos are, everybody understands there's no ego, and include hygiene and cleanliness for everyone. So amazing concept. We have to learn this to implement in our own homes, forget school. So as surprising as we've seen, we've gotten a tour of some of the rooms of the school. So this is an actual classroom. Normal desks, but again a little more colorful. As you can see that the vision and the idea, the environment created over here is not that of a typical school. This is far from a typical school. It's just the idea, so you get a grasp of the energy that they're trying to create over here, mashallah. And then you realize it's people and environment that makes it. This helps, but even without this, look at what you can do and change people's minds. Magic. This is one of the rooms where magic happens. And speaking of magic, UN, again, United Nations, that's what we are all about. We're trying to unite all nations. So Rehan Bhai has been able to bring that to us in Korangi to create that. If you can just take a picture. So these are actual, I mean, I don't have to sell this to anyone. So right up there, that's the United Nations. So the whole idea is to give children from wherever exposure, regardless of language, regardless of background. And yeah, we are sitting in Korangi in an underprivileged area right now. And this is one of the rooms. So they do different kind of class. The rooms are not, ये किसी के बाप का कमरा नहीं है, this is not booked for anything. They're all part of the school to utilize for the best benefit possible. The idea is to open minds and creativity. And this is the center of that. इनका जो curriculum है, one of the things that they are doing, this place is called Startup Room. Again, there's a number of rooms the students do their work. Their curriculum includes not only using technology, but part of the curriculum is to use technology to generate income. And if I'm not mistaken, to go from level 1, whatever their course outline is, to level 2, you have to earn a certain amount of money, I believe it's $50 or $100, and then move on to course 2. And all these little kiddos have done like $10, $20. The children who come here to learn are already earning money as well. The 3 and 8 month old, not the 3 months, but yes, again, magic. Like I said, bathrooms on every floors, both buildings connected. One of the most, again, amazing things. So they have a handyman who comes in here to fix things, and the whole idea is to get everyone to learn. So they have an actual space where they teach, it's part of the course, of teaching normal utility stuff. I'm like changing light bulbs, fixing basic safety included. That's one of the, which is why there's an adult always present to make sure that safety ho. But to get the fear out of people, they teach basic utilities over here. And the kids participate. It's like a club, literally what happens in a club. Again, most incredible, useful things. I learned about magma, mere kisi kaam nahi aaya. It would have helped if I knew how to change a light bulb. Just so you get an idea of where we are, this is where we are. So you can just see, in fact, these people won't mind. This is where we are. Nothing wrong with anything. But yeah, there are places which we can use the word underprivileged. And if you look over here at how close the homes are and how people are living, we're right in. So there is a rock solid one school on the planet Earth which is doing stuff nobody else is yet. But I think it's a matter of time. This thing is going to go. This is the new way of teaching. I think Rehan has done a bismillah. I'm sure that he himself, and he wants people to copy this. And I'm for it. I think once people figure out, 6-8 महीने की कहानी है. Once people figure out what this is, ये तो सिर्फ this, there's no stopping this virus. Mashallah. And so we saw the students, one of the rooms for the older students. This is level 1 students room, where, and when again, to actually sell the idea and everybody knows this is a school, blackboard, so this guarantees, yes, yeah, this is a school, and this is where this is what people see when they think of school. And yes, because it's a school, they have this too. The curriculum and what they teach and the minds they open is different, but yes, they're not weirdos. If anything, they're ahead of the curve. And so yes, there is a typical school too as well. So the children can be rest assured, the old conservative parents, कि हाँ हाँ भाई school है. Yes, it is a school. So we've had a tour of the school. Of course, every place needs a cafeteria. So what else can you expect from Rehan School? This is their cafeteria, if you can just have a look. Again, it's a very chilled scene. There's no fighting for chairs. People come, hang. The idea is to create an environment. And not only that, a gentleman comes daily to cook, teaching the cooking thing. So there's even, so they have multiple schools, and one of the things that they do in school is they have cooking classes. And yeah, and here this is the cafeteria. So yes, you can pretty much see what they're trying to do, where they're doing it, and forget the miracle that this has happened is already there, and I think more miracles are going to start, inshallah. So incredible job. Wow. Wow. You can say nothing else but wow. There's nobody who can visit this place and not be human and not be wow. It's an incredible, incredible achievement. Hats off. Everybody who's done it, besides the visionary and the founder, his children, a lot of team members. This is not a one-man show, but one man has to push, and he seems to be on the right track, inshallah. Best of luck. This is just a brief of what is possible if you, like Steve Jobs said, think different, are not afraid to speak the truth, and the objective is to open minds. I think this is one of those places which is, they're doing something magical. Anybody who spends 5 minutes with any of these students, you can see the magic and by the glimmer in their eyes. So, mashallah, this is a fantastic thing, and inshallah we'll meet some students as well, so you get somewhat of an idea of what products these guys are going to produce. I mean, I wish these guys best of luck. It's a fantastic job. I think anybody who gives them time, money is the easiest thing to give, but besides money, time, ideas, growth, how to take this and make it better, I think there will be some. Again, hats off to everybody spending their time over here. And let's see, wishing them all the best. And inshallah, this thing is, hopefully this thing is going to rocket, take off. Ameen. Thank you.